Hello, guys. Welcome to our channel. And here today we are going to learn about the email ID collection, how we collect the email IDs of particular company if we want to extract the email IDs from LinkedIn or any another source. So, in short, I'll be telling you in very few steps so you can have email IDs and you can maintain the data for you. So my first step is there. Today we are going to learn how to collect email ID of a particular company using LinkedIn. So let's move to the LinkedIn. You will log in LinkedIn, you will open up, and let's say you want to have the email IDs of Modus. So here you will write down at the rate modus.com, enter. Here you will click on post, and date posted you can take 1 month, so you will get the recent email ID. So too much old data is not required because so many people leave the job as well. And you will click on the all posts whatever are there in front of you, see more. When you will click on the see more part, so their full section would come and the email ID would be visible of that post as well if they have mentioned, like this one, like this one. And same manner you will do as down as you can go on the page. And then what you will do after that, you will select from down to top everything, dragging mouse, whatever you are using. If you're using laptops, obviously mouse, and otherwise laptop it is there, so you will drag there on the pad. And then control C, and then email extractor needs to be open, that is email checker.net. And you can copy the URL here and paste here, and you will click email, extract email. And I will mention the link in the video as well. So let's click on here. You will get email IDs from that data, and then you can copy this, and then you will open your Excel sheet, you can paste it, and just modus email IDs would come in that section. And same way you will go on down section in that, and you can paste. And let's say I want to collect email IDs of expiries, so same method I'll do. I'm just doing quickly, so video should be short and we'll learn a lot. Expiries.com, post, and 1 month we'll select. There is some problem in this search right now, so here it is. There is error in the LinkedIn right now. So same manner will be, you'll be selecting post and then 1 month, and then you will copy email extract and paste here. So you will get the expiry email IDs. This is the short format to collect email ID of any company from LinkedIn. If you know the company name, so obviously maximum companies email IDs will be available there. And this is the thing for now. If you want to ask any question related to that, so always happy to help you out. And you can see other videos. Please subscribe the channel if you found somewhere it is helpful for you. Thank you.